好啦，呢個 video 咧係 focus on 一個就係叫做 present continuous tense 啦，咁中文就叫現在進行式啦，而另一個咧就係 past continuous tense 就係過去進行式啦。咁你會見到咧呢一度咧就會係我哋有個 summary 啦，就係講翻咧 present continuous 同埋 past continuous 係邊幾個情況之下用㗎。咁睇翻第一個啦，就係一個 temporary situations。即係話咧，嗰個係一個暫時嘅狀況。咁一陣間我哋會睇多啲例子嘅。咁另一個咧就係一個 action 啦 ，actions happen at the time of speaking。咁佢會係當時你做緊嘅嘢，即係譬如話 look a car is coming，咁你會見到有架車嚟緊嘅，咁你會用 present continuous。第三啦係 repeat actions expressing annoyance。好多時咧都會有呢個 always 呢個字嘅，咁即係話好煩啊。譬如 you are always complaining， 經常不斷咁投訴，好煩。第四啦 fixed arrangements in the near future， 咁樣咧就係一個即係定咗嘅安排啦。咁嗱呢一個雖然咧就係一個 present continuous tense 啦，即係會係一個 is 啦、am 啦、are 啦，再加翻一個 ing 嘅動詞啦。咁但係咧係可以咧，的確係表達一個將來嘅一個嘅意思㗎。咁我哋一陣間會再多啲嘅例子睇一睇。第五啦 ，changing or developing situations， 即係一個咧係改變中嘅一個狀態，即係一個喺度發展中嘅狀態。咁你都會咧用一個現在進行式去表達。而 past continuous 咧就係邊一種咧？就係 was 啦或者 were 啦，再加一個 ing 嘅一個情況。咁而 past continuous 咧，你會見到就係一個 past action going on when another shorter action took place。咁就係話咧，其實係有兩個動作嘅，一個長啲就一個短啲。咁嗰個長啲嘅動作咧，我哋就會需要用 past continuous 啦。A past action which continued for a certain period of time。咁你會見到咧，好多時都係 last for 一個好長嘅時間，例如話譬如 all morning 啊，或者係 all yesterday 啊。咁有個 all 字即係有個好長嘅時間。A past action which was continued at a specified time。咁你會見到咧係好多時都會譬如 at 3 p.m. 啊，咁佢指定係尋日 at 3 p.m. yesterday。咁尋日嘅一點時間。咁如果你見到呢啲咁樣咧，你就會知道係需要用 past continuous 啦。第四啦係 two long actions happening at the same time in the past， 就係話兩個都係長嘅時間，好多時咧你都會見到一個 while 呢個字嘅。即係當佢做緊啲乜嘢嗰陣時咧，另一個人就做緊啲乜嘢，咁就係呢一種嘅句子啦。咁我哋試一試睇下啦，第一個情況啦。第一個情況咧 ，situation one 就係 use the present continuous for temporary situations。嗱，你會咩叫 temporary 咧？係解一個暫時性，即係話咧唔係一個長時間嘅一個嘅情況喎。咁你會見到咧就係例如好似 I am studying in France at the moment。咁呢一刻咧係喺法國讀書嘅，但係唔會永遠咁讀書噶嘛，咁所以咧你就會用 I'm studying。第二啦 ，she is living with her parents temporarily。呢一個咧佢都講明只係一個短暫嘅時間啦，咁你就唔會話 she lives 噶啦，咁你就會用 she is living with her parents temporarily， 即係意思咧就係佢只係暫時同佢父母居住嘅啫。第三啦 ，they are staying at a hotel while they are here。嗱喺酒店咧就比較少人會係長期都住喺酒店嘅，咁所以咧都係一個短暫一個暫時嘅情況，所以咧呢三個嘅動詞咧，你都會需要用一個 present continuous。好啦，試下 compare 呢個句子啦。I live in Hong Kong now。咁咧你會見到咧，佢雖然呢度有一個 now 呢個字啦，但係咧你會用 I live in Hong Kong now， 唔會用 I am living 嘅。點解咧？因為呢一個咧係一個 permanent， 即係相對於上面嗰啲啦，即係讀書啊嗰啲。咁而一個比較即係一個比較永久嘅狀況，係長啲嘅狀況。咁所以咧，如果係一個永久嘅狀況咧，你只會用翻 simple present 嘅啫 ，use the simple present。係啦，咁如果假如係一個短暫咧，你就會用 I'm studying 啦 ，she is living 啦，或者 they are staying， 就會用呢個 present continuous tense 啦。接住啦，我哋而家睇睇第二個情況啦，就係話 use the present continuous for actions happening at the time of speaking。咁呢個就比較淺嘅，其實去到小二三咧，你都會知道咧，就係話你見到 listen 呢個感嘆號呢啲咧，即係叫你現在啊，好留心聽啦。Listen, someone is playing the piano。呢一個咧就會係一個當時即刻當嗰個人講嗰陣時個狀態係發生緊嘅，咁所以咧就會用 is playing。Please don't disturb me, I'm working。咁呢個係好明顯有人講緊，就係話你唔好嘈啦，我而家做緊嘢啊咁樣。咁所以咧都係用 I am working， 用 present continuous 啦。亦都係啦 ，look 有個感嘆號啦。Our friends are walking along the path。咁我啲朋友喺度行緊啊。嗱，你會見到 look， 咁即係一個當時發生緊嘅狀態。At the time of speaking， 即係講緊嗰陣時嘅狀態，係有人做緊一樣嘢。咁當然咧，你就要用翻一個 present continuous tense 啦 ，is playing 啦 ，am working 啦，同埋 are walking。輪到第三個狀況啦，就係嗱呢個咧就應該你哋呢個階段咧應該係第一次聽嘅，但係好多時咧啲人都會咁講嘅，就係用use the present continuous with always for repeated actions to express annoyance， 即係話咧嗰個人好煩啊咁樣咧，你就會好多時咧就話 he is always chatting during class。嗱，你講呢句説話嗰陣時咧，都係表達咗佢好煩啊，係成日都上堂傾偈嘅。嗱，你通常咧都會有 always 嘅呢一個字嘅，咁同埋咧有少少係投訴嘅意思，即係話佢好煩，佢成日都傾偈。睇下第二句啦 ，They are always playing at lunchtime without me。佢真係次次咧都係成日都玩就唔預埋我嘅喎。咁呢一個又係覺得佢好煩，有冇搞錯唔預埋我㗎？咁樣就會需要用到呢一個嘅 present continuous 啦。They are always playing at lunchtime without me。第三。The teacher is always shouting at me， 即係話，唉，真係煩啦，成日咧都係喺度鬧我嘅，成日都喺度大叫嘅對住我。咁你會咧，亦都係啦，有一個 always 啦，咁樣咧就都係需要用 present continuous tense 表達你覺得好煩擾呢件事。咁所以咧就會唔應該用現在式啦，或者係過去式嘅，係話佢經常都會咁做，所以咧就會用咗現在進行式去表達啦。到第四個狀況啦。而家第四個狀況咧就係 use the present continuous for fixed arrangements in the near future。咩叫 fixed arrangements 咧？就係話一個好近嘅將來啦，即係例如咧，其實都好簡單嘅，係有呢個 this evening 呢啲字啦 ，tonight 呢啲字啦，或者 later 呢啲字。咁咧，你見到呢啲字咧，其實就比較適合咧，係要用 present continuous 去表達一個將來嘅意思。反而用 will 咧 ，will 譬如你話 will meet 咧，就唔係太啱嘅。OK， 因為 will 咧係有一個咧係將來，不過咧係 decide on the spot， 當時先至決定。但係人哋既然 arrange 咗嘅話咧，係應該要用現在進行式嘅，去表達一個將來嘅意思。睇下第一句 ，We are meeting this evening at my house， 即係話咧，我哋今晚咧會喺我間屋度見面。咁既然今晚係咪已經安排咗咧？即係唔係而家先舉行啦？咁即係而家先至會決定要去見面啦。咁所以咧就要用 present continuous 啦。We are meeting this evening at my house。第二啦 ，I'm seeing a film with Taylor tonight， 即係今晚咧我就會同佢睇戲啦。咁既然今晚嘅話，即係已經係決定咗啦，兼且已經安排咗，即係可以咁講咧，係一個已安排嘅一個將來式。呢個將來式咧係已經安排咗，已經係好明顯肯定會發生嘅嘢，咁就會係 I'm seeing a film with Taylor tonight。第三啦 ，They are playing football in the park later。咁呢一個咧亦都係有一個咧，即係稍後就會去玩啦。咁已經係一個 arranged near future。咁所以咧呢三個咧都會用咗呢一個嘅 present continuous 去表達一個將來式。第五個 situation 咧，就係 use the present continuous for changing or developing situations， 係一個改變中嘅 changing 改變中或者發展中嘅狀態。嗱，呢一種嘅情況咧，要用 present continuous 咧，就冇特定嘅 keywords 㗎，即係話唔會有，即係冇乜 keywords 可言嘅喺呢一個 situation。而最清楚 show 到俾你睇係發展中咧。其實就係嗰個動詞，你要 see the verb。嗰個 verb 咧 係會話俾你聽呢件事係進行中，例如 Your English is improving。嗱，呢個 improving 呢個咧係改善，但係人改善即係英文可以得到改善，唔會係叮一聲即係做完個練習就改善咗啦，唔會噶嘛。咁係一個發展中，即係慢慢逐漸改善嘅意思。咁所以咧就會話 Your English is improving。第二句啦 ，Hong Kong is a city which is always changing 啦，又係 change 呢個字咧，其實都已經話俾你聽係一件發展中嘅事，即係話不斷都喺度改變。嗰種改變唔係叮一聲，今呢一秒同下一秒唔同咗，係慢慢可能得多一層樓啊，慢慢又多一間餐廳啊，咁嗰種嘅意思。所以咧，你就要用 present continuous 啦 ，is always changing。咁喺個 change 裏邊咧，提示咗你。My little brother is growing very quickly。係啦，咁我個細路咧就慢慢咁長大，咁但係呢個長大就唔會叮一聲嘅。雖然佢話即係佢話佢好快大得，但係嗰個即係嗰個長大嗰個速度唔會係即係1秒鐘啊咁變咗啦，唔係變身嘅樣，而係慢慢咁長大。咁所以咧係一個亦都係一路慢慢改變嘅一樣嘢。咁所以咧你憑個動詞咧，你就會知道咧係會用 My little brother is growing very quickly， 唔係 My little brother grows 啦。如果你用 grows 咧就錯嘅。明唔明啊？因為呢個係代表咗一個不斷改變、不斷發展嘅一個狀態，所以咧你係需要用 present continuous 去表達呢一個嘅狀態。好啦，我哋試下睇一個練習啦。第一題啦 ，at the moment she 乜嘢咧？因為咧就有 at the moment 啦，即係等於 now 啦。咁啊，所以咧就 she is staying 啦。第二 ，look I 乜嘢咧 ？This tray of drinks on my head。I 乜嘢咧？因為 look 佢叫你而家即刻睇啊嘛，咁梗係 I am balancing 啦。第三 ，we 乜嘢 are meeting after school this evening。今晚咁呢件事咧就係一個 arranged 同埋加埋係一個 near future， 即係好快脆就會發生啦。所以咧就 we are having。第四 ，my grandfather 乜嘢 as he gets older。好啦，呢一個咧咩叫 shrink 咧係縮水咁嘅意思啊。咁樣咧就係因為佢咧係會逐漸咁樣，即係老人老咗就會縮水，即係會細粒咗。咁所以咧 ，my grandfather is shrinking as he gets older。因為咧呢一個咧係 developing 係一路發展緊嘅一樣嘢，咁所以咧你會用現在進行式啦。My parents 乜嘢 about work。 嗱呢一個咧 moan 係解咩咧？係即係等於係一個投訴啊、埋怨咁嘅意思啊。咁所以咧 my parents are always moaning about work， 經常都不斷咁樣投訴，係一個 annoyance， 即係好似一個好煩嘅嘢。咁所以咧成日都投訴嘅佢哋咁樣，咁所以咧就會用 present continuous 啦。好啦，到呢一度啦，就係一個 proofreading 啦，就會 Whenever I get a good grade, my parents are rewarding me。即係每一次我攞到好成績，我啲父母咧都會獎我噶。咁但係佢唔係即係 whenever， 即係每一次都係啦，即係好似係一個 habit。咁逢係一個 habit 咧，我哋係要用翻 simple present tense， 就係會用翻一個就咁簡單嘅現在式，所以呢一個咧係就咁 reward me。On Tuesdays, I am playing tennis。嗱，逢係每一個 Tuesday 都去啊嘛，咁都係一個 habit，所以呢一個咧就唔會 I am playing 嘅，就會應該 I play tennis。因為咧呢一個咧都係一個習慣，咁所以用翻 simple present 就啱啦。She is living in Hong Kong for her whole life， 成世人都住喎。嗱，頭先我講過啦，如果係一個 permanent 嘅 situation 咧，你就會用 simple present。但係如果有一個 temporary， 即係一個短暫嘅狀況咧，你就會用一個 present continuous。咁所以你會睇翻呢一個狀況係點樣咧？佢係 for her whole life， 咁所以呢一個一定唔會 is living 啦。She lives in Hong Kong， 因為咧點解咧？因為佢係一個佢成世都喺度住啊嘛，咁唔係一個短暫嘅狀況喎，所以咧就要用現在式啦。I can't talk right now. I'm eating my dinner。呢個冇錯啦，因為而家呢個狀況我而家食緊飯，所以冇錯。I'm taking my piano exam next week。 嗱，雖然咧佢有講到 next week，但係冇錯喎。點解啊？因為咧現在進行式我都講過啦，係可以代表一個 near future 嘅 arrangement。咁所以咧，你咧係可以用現在進行式去代表一個將來嘅狀況。所以 I'm taking my piano lesson next week。咁呢一句咧係冇錯嘅。咁睇翻咧就歸納翻就係應該呢個係應該用 award 啦，呢個係應該係 play 啦，呢個係 lives 啦，而呢兩個咧都係冇錯嘅。